Bonjour classe. Today we're going to look at the verb avoir. Avoir, the first thing when you have a conjugation, you're going to put down what the verb means, okay? So avoir, we know, means to have. Okay. Avoir is called an irregular verb. It doesn't follow any pattern, so you need to memorize it. So when we do the conjugation, the first one that we're going to place is for je. Now, the word is j'ai, and because it starts with a vowel, I need to get rid of this E, okay? All right, the second one is going to be tu as. Then for il, elle, and on are all going to be the same. So il a, elle a, on a. Okay, then we go to our second column. Nous avons, vous avez, and then il, elle, ont. Okay? So let's go through that again. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Okay? So what do they mean? I have, you have, he has, she has, and remember what we spoke about with the pronouns. On is going to refer to, some people translate as we or one, okay, one has. Always remember that this one is going to be, even though it's in the singular column, one item, we think about this as a group, as plural, okay? Nous avons, which means we have. So, je is included in nous. All right, I am included in we. We have. Vous avez, again, it goes with tu, okay, because vous, if you remember, is a way of speaking formally to somebody, to be very polite to someone. So you can say vous to one person, or you can use vous when you're talking to a whole group of students or a whole group of people. So when I speak to you in class, I'm going to say vous, classe, okay? So it can be singular and it can be plural. Then ils ont means they have, and elles ont also means they have. Ils ont is when it's a group of all boys or a group of boys and girls. Elles ont is going to be a group of girls only. They, the girls, they have. Okay? All right, now we're going to move to the next part. Okay, so now we're going to look at some examples of how we're going to use the verb avoir. All right, so for example, the first one, j'ai 14 ans. J'ai 14 ans is talking about age. So we use avoir when we say how old we are. In French, we say I have 14 years, I have 20 years, not I am. Okay? And then this chapter, this unit, we've been talking about classroom items. So, for example, j'ai 8 élèves dans ma classe. I have 8 students in my class. Tu as un stylo. Okay, you have one pen. Vous avez un ordinateur. This sentence could be referring to one person, formal, all right? Vous avez un ordinateur. Or I could use this if I'm speaking to the whole class and say, vous avez toute la classe, okay? The whole class has a computer. Il a un poster. He has one poster, a poster. On a des profs. One has teachers, or we have teachers. Nous avons 6 fenêtres dans la classe. Okay, we have 6 windows in the class. And the last one, elles ont des livres. They have, the girls, they have books. Okay, so now you have sentences, examples on how to use the verb avoir, which means to have.